Okay, I got the Sentry Mode turned on here, and what I'm going to be testing out is what happens when you have the View Live camera on and somebody breaks into your vehicle, or if you just have Sentry Mode on but not the live view camera. So let's start with the live view camera. Okay, so there I am. So what I'm going to do is make sure to turn off the Wi-Fi and also the Bluetooth so it doesn't think that I'm nearby, and the car is locked. All right, so I left the window open, simulating somebody breaking the window and then actually opening the door from the switch button inside. So as I move in, the camera shut off. Let me go back here. Now I'm actually using 5G, so it's taking longer to sync up to the live camera versus if you have Wi-Fi. So again, this is the problem we've been running into. It's not sending in the live feed, although the car is connected to the Wi-Fi. It's actually a lot quicker if you're both on Wi-Fi, meaning the vehicle and the phone, for obvious reason. But if you're having the vehicle on 5G and your phone on 5G, this is what you get. Okay. So it's talking to the car. Okay, now here's the live feed. Right. Okay, so it sensed that I'm standing next to the vehicle. So Sentry Mode is on. Let's see what happens. I put my hands inside. Nothing. Okay, let's go ahead and open the door with this button here. It's gonna be loud. Oh, I should wear earphones. Oh, that was pretty loud. So the horn goes off and then the sound system goes on, but then the live view cuts off. Then I get a notification. So nothing really happens actually if you're live feeding. So let's see what happens if you don't live feed, but you have the Sentry Mode on. Let me turn this off. Okay, so just Sentry Mode on. And let's see if the live view camera actually auto-populates, or you actually have to click on the notification. Okay, it's gonna be loud again. Let's see. Oh, nothing happened. I thought I locked the door. Okay, so turn off the Bluetooth. The car is locked. Sentry Mode is on, right? Let's see here. Yeah, Sentry Mode is on. Okay, let's turn off the camera. Let's see what happens when I open the door again. Nothing. Yeah, it doesn't know I'm here. I'll try locking and unlocking the door. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the Sentry Mode and turn it back on. Come on, guy. All right, let's try and break in this Model Y performance. Nothing. Interesting. So the alarm stopped working after the first trigger. And I guess if you turn off the alarm, it's not re-engaging. See, the camera still works. Yeah. Okay. See, the Sentry is on. The Sentry Mode is on. The car is locked. The window is folded. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi's off. Let me just turn off the... Well, I can't turn off the cellular, then I won't get the alert, but it doesn't know I'm here. Let me try and roll up the window and then roll it back down. Okay, can I open it? No. Ugh. I have to unlock it. So you can't roll down your windows all the way with the phone. You actually can crack it open, but you can't roll it down all the way. Okay, so let's lock this car again. Okay, let's turn the Sentry Mode back on. Let's see if I walk by, it should activate. Nope. Let's turn on the live camera and then turn it back off. Okay, so Sentry Mode is on. Let's turn it off. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi is off. Okay, let's try it one more time. Nothing. Okay, so I guess there's a delay, or they shut down the alarm system after the first trigger. I don't know for how long, but it doesn't reactivate the alarm system. We're gonna test this out some more, but I don't think the live camera will automatically open. It's gonna have a notification drop down and then you click on it, then you actually have to click on live view camera yourself. Let me know what your thoughts is on the ball or your experience is with the live camera on the Sentry Mode. Thanks for watching. Catch you on next time.